Okay, let me show you how to recharge using Binance. Okay, we are going to use Binance to recharge your Smart AI account. First thing that you need to do, you go to your account. Okay, like this one. You open your account. Okay, let's just wait. So here you can go to me page. Okay, this is me page. As you can see, there is no recharge amount for this account. So what we need to do, we need to recharge so that this one will quantify for 365 days. As you notice, the quantify for this one is already 0 and the quantifiable amount is 8 days. So it's now 0. But it able to generate 1.27. So now what we can do is click this recharge. Okay, take note recharge, then select BIP20. Okay, then make sure that this is quantify account, not invest account. So you see the invest is here, so and the quantify is this one. So quantify account. Now what you need to do is copy this address. Okay, okay, you copy that address, then you go to your Binance account. Okay, this is just to show you how to recharge. Okay, you open your Binance. So I have a Binance in my wallet, I mean in my mobile phone. Then what you can do, you can go to your wallet, then you click withdraw. Okay, so as when you click withdraw, you click withdraw crypto or withdraw fiat. Select this one. Then what you need to do is you select USDT. When you click USDT, send via crypto network. Okay, you click that one. Then you paste here the address, your address of Smart AIT account. Then here, network account, network. There are multiple matches. So you click this one. Take note, you need to use BNB Smart Chain, the first one, not the second, not the third, not the fourth. Okay, so much better use the first one. Okay, so don't use any other network. Use BNB Smart Chain. So it says here BNB Smart Chain. Take note, BNB Smart Chain or BIP20. Now, once you already put the BIP20, you put the amount here. Let us say you start with $10. Okay, so there will be a charge of 0.1. So include the charge so that you will receive $10. Okay, receive amount $10, network fee 0.1. Or if you like, maybe if you like 20, so you put 20.1. If you put 100, so it will be 100.1, like that. So now just to show you, let us put $10.1. So it will be $10. So this is the right process. You put the address on that address, the first line. The second one is the network. So make sure it's BNB Smart Chain. Then put the amount. Then you click the withdraw. Okay. Then it's as here, ensure the network is correct. Okay, so you can double check. Then EF63, you can go back here. So that one is correct. F8256, just to make sure. Okay, everything is correct. Then you click confirm. When you click confirm, the ending digits of this address must an address when there is a risk that has been altered. So that is okay. Because we already verified that the address is correct. Okay. So click continue. When you click continue, it will ask your biometric passkey. So I just put my fingerprint here. Then it will say withdrawal processing. So you wait, you go to view history, then you click this one, processing. Let us wait until this one is complete. So it will take about maybe few seconds or a minute. Okay, so let's just refresh. You scroll it down to refresh. Okay, so just have some patience. Once the process, when the withdrawal process is already complete, sometimes it takes a bit of time, but like what I mentioned, have some patience. Okay, then here, once this one is already complete, you can go back to your Smart 8 account. Then you go at the bottom, it says recharge complete. Okay, so you make sure you click this recharge complete. Yeah, okay. So once you already recharge complete, then you can check if it is already there. Okay, like you see, it's already here. The recharge amount is already 10 and the quantify account is already 11 because there is additional. Now, when you go to quantify, see here, it's already 365 days, not anymore 8 days. Then you can quantify it now. It will generate you an income via a process of buy and sell, okay, distributing commissions, then it will give you 0.2794. Okay, so that's how to recharge and to quantify. This is what you need to do daily. You need to click this Bitcoin. Okay, so that's it. Hope this will help, and I already put the process step by step. Thank you very much.